Testing a plugin while you're developing it can be tricky. It helps if you could see it in action as you're developing it. This video will show you how to apply the plugin as it's being developed so you can continually test it as it's being implemented. While developing a plugin, in addition to the unit and functional tests, it can be helpful to have another project available to apply the plugin and manually test it end to end. We can create another project using Gradle init for this. We'll call this other project plugin consumer, so we'll create a directory called plugin consumer. And run Gradle init here. We can just select the default options all the way. Let's open this project in IntelliJ. In the settings file of this plugin consumer project, we can configure a plugin management block to include build the coverage lock project, which is in the adjacent coverage lock folder. So now in the build file for the app subproject of this plugin consumer project, we can apply our plugin using the ID com.gradelelab.coveragelock. Let's refresh the project configs. Now, when we look at the available tasks in this plugin consumer project, we can see the greeting tasks that came from our plugin. We can go ahead and run the task. And see the output. Now, as we develop our plugin, we can manually test the behavior using this plugin consumer project.